Before you set out for your Gangtok holiday package, read this. Northeast is in itself nothing short of a marvelous recess of the country. Not only is the region rich in culture, but it is a haven of peace, natural beauty and charm all combined in one. Tucked away in the mighty Himalayas, Sikkim holds as much truth to this as its sisters. It is thus no wonder how popular Sikkim is among travelers or those who appreciate the tranquility and appeasement that Mother Nature blesses one with. The whole trekking route from Manebhanjan to Sandakpur is immensely satisfying, giving you the view of the countryside blessed with plush rhododendrons and mighty oak trees. As you reach the top, you can witness the pure beauty and supremacy of the Kanchenjunga and Mount Everest peaks thickly capped with snow. The view from here is enough to leave you stunned by its grace and poise, especially with the delightful optical illusion of the mountain tops showing the calm figure of a sleeping Buddha. Going on a biking sojourn on the rugged and hilly terrain of the city leaves you spellbound with the surreal beauty that Gangtok offers. The unparalleled flora and fauna amidst the thick green woods and the happy smiling locals warms your heart all the way through your journey. Ideal for photography too, all your senses will thank you on this mountain biking trip when passing through the fragrant cardamom fields. Situated at an altitude of 3,780 meters above the sea level, Somgo Lake is an enchanting glacial lake. Surrounded by frozen elevated terrain on all sides, the lake is 50 meters deep and is in close proximity to the Chinese border. The small Shiva temple located in the region adds to the piousness of the tranquil atmosphere. You can enjoy some local eateries from the nearby food stalls and also a ride on a yak. The days when the sun feels shy, Canggu Lake in the region can be seen hidden under a thick blanket of mist, giving you an opportunity of wonderful landscape for a perfect photography session. Located on the Indo-Chinese border, at a distance of 2 hours from Gangtok, Natu La Pass is a sight of absolute beauty. Perched at an altitude of 4,310 meters above sea level, the pass is among the highest motor-accessible mountain passes around the world. To reach the place, it is wisest to commence the journey at dawn and be there in the wee hours of morning to be able to truly witness the stunning vista here. While there is no entry fee for Indian citizens, foreign tourists require special permits to visit the place. En route, two very beautiful sights, one of Jakri waterfall and another of Canggu Lake, will cross your path. One of the biggest, most beautiful and the most popular tourist destinations in Gangtok, Rumtek Monastery is also one of the most prominent monasteries in all of Sikkim. It belongs to a sect of Buddhists called Kagyu, who began living in Tibet as early as the 12th century, while the monastery itself was built in 1740 and then rebuilt in 1979. The magnificent building of the monastery resembles in its style and construction the original one established in Zafu, Tibet. You can marvel at the lovely golden stupa located here, which contains the relics of the 16th Karmapa and the many holy Buddhist artifacts. You can also enjoy hiking downhill or exploring other historic monasteries. The Namgyal Institute of Tibetology, also known as the Sikkim Research Institute of Tibetology, rests at the summit of a pleasing hill. The institute was previously known as Namgyal, named after the Chogyal of Sikkim, Lieutenant Palden Thondap Namgyal. It was established in 1958 with the aim to promote study and research in the Buddhist sect of Mahayana and Tibetan culture, heritage and language. You can enjoy the splendid view of the beautiful Gangtok spread below from the hilltop or learn much about the traditions and practices of the Tibetans and the Mahayana sect of Buddhists. In addition to this, the institute also houses one of the biggest collection of rare Buddhist manuscripts, books and Tibetan hand-painted clothes known as. Spread in an expansive region of 230 hectares and overlooking the resplendent Kanchenjunga mountain range, the Himalayan Zoological Park is a striking forest reserve blessed with lush deep woods. The objective of forming the park is to foster conservation and preservation of the rare and endangered mountain dwellers by providing them safe natural habitat. The red panda and the snow leopard are the two highlights of the park, where the former is also Sikkim's state animal and the latter is the prime Himalayan predator. The zoological park offers an interesting blend of rocky unforgettable topography, with gentle and verdant slopes showcasing mesmerizing wild flora and fauna. Here you do not just get to enjoy the fortunate sights of the rare mountain species but also the amazingly calm environment that rejuvenates from inside out. Gangtok, the alluring capital of picturesque Sikkim, can well be called a big wonder enclosed in a small package. As much as Gangtok depicts the clonal beauty, charm and serenity of its peers, it is also a center for those who find gratification through indulgence in myriad adventure activities. The nearest airport to Gangtok is at Bagdogra, which is a small town in West Bengal. Upon reaching there, you can either hire a shared taxi or take your private vehicle to reach Gangtok. The journey between the two places will take 2 hours, 124 kilometers, but the gorgeous views of the Teesta River and mountains forming the backdrop will not let you know how the time elapsed. The nearest railway station to Gangtok is 128 kilometers away and is located at Jalpaiguri in Siliguri, which is well connected to major stations like New Delhi and Kolkata. You can take a taxi directly to Gangtok or Siliguri, from where you can take the interstate bus to reach your destination. The whole journey will take about 5 to 6 hours. Except for the months of July to September, the whole year is suitable for a trip to the stunning Gangtok. While winters average low 4 degrees Celsius, are simply amazing with clear weather and mountains and valleys at their peak of their beauty, summers are pleasant with maximum temperature never reaching more than 22 degrees Celsius. While Oyo Rooms or Mandarin Village Resort can be a good option if you are on a budget, there are also some good mid-range hotels to try, like Netuk House, Tamarind Residency or Nettle and Fern Hotel. Some of the most beautiful and popular hotels and resorts in Gangtok include the Mayfair Spa Resort and Casino, which is perfect if you love to stay in a colonial-style setup, and Summit Noling Resort and Spa, which is sure to make you all tingly inside with its lovely romantic ambience set in bamboo. Gangtok is not just a place that looks good, but it also tastes amazing. What we meant is its food is amazing. Predominantly a non-vegetarian paradise, you will find a wide array of yummy food. The most popular dishes of Gangtok include momus, thekpa, gyatuk, gunrek and sinki, thentuk and shafale. While momus is popular and very much in love with, you will find the most authentic taste in them here. Filled with vegetable or meat, these steamed goodies are a must-try. Available at all major eateries, thekpa is another popular dish of the region, which is typically a Tibetan noodles-based soup flavored lightly and containing either meat or vegetables. Shafale is a type of meat patty indigenous of Sikkim, while gunrek and sinki are appetizers which are prepared with leafy green vegetables at homes and seldom found in restaurants. They are made by fermenting the roots and leaves of mustard, radish and cauliflowers and then cooked with a mix of tomatoes and onions. Yaks are known to traverse the difficult mountain terrain of the region with ease, which is why they have become the preferred choice among the locals for transportation. The perimeter of Somgo Lake or the Dizongi region with its yak trails are the ideal spots to try this horned and hairy mountain beast. The Chotar Valley serves as the best place for yak safaris, and the time from March to October is the best time for it. Teesta River in Gangtok serves as one of the best places for whitewater rafting. Ideal for rafters with varying degrees of experience in this sport, Teesta offers different rapids to take your pick from. Many outdoor sports management companies in the region conduct river rafting. When in Gangtok, it is a must to try your hand at this high adrenaline adventure sport. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.